Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates with Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips, placement solution you will get in our channel. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. And recently I have given many important notification for the recruitment for BE BTech as well as ME MTech and MBA graduates for every job sector like IT industry like Siemens, Virtusa. If you have not seen these videos, you can go through, and if you have not applied still now, you can apply. So in this video I will discuss about the recruitment notification about Infosys. They have published the notification for mass hiring for 2020 and 2021 graduates. Previously also this year they have published the notification for hiring this mass recruitment. Again they have published their notification for system engineer position. So I will discuss in this video about the registration process, about the eligibility criteria. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe, and obviously share this type of news of this job notification with your friends so that they also get beneficiate from this channel. And also I have published recently TCS Ninja interview questions for technical round and HR round. This is very much important video for all of you. You can go through this video. So let's show you the Infosys eligibility criteria. You can see the job reference code is Infosys external 108669. This is the job code, actually the reference code. Job title is system engineer. The notification has come from Infosys, and the location they are hiring for Coimbatore. Work experience required is 0 years, and educational requirements required is Bachelor of Computer Science, Bachelor of Engineering. So BTech you have done in CSC or IT, you can apply, or BE you have done, you can apply. The responsibilities you need to maintain there, like you have to do calls or mails monitoring, infrastructure and application alert monitoring, logging, classification, prioritization, tracking and incidental closure. Additional responsibilities like you have to go through Linux environment as well as automation as well as e-commerce development of Infosys. Technical and professional requirements, you have to have knowledge on these below things: the networks, servers, how server works, and client server technology, cloud computing, infrastructure services, backend services, components for website, microservices, software testing and types of software testing lifecycle model. All these things required as they are having system engineer. So this type of testing concept you need to be very clear, and it's a very top renowned MNC, IT MNC. So all of have a dream to join Infosys as starting of the career. So if you are getting the chance, you can do the registration and apply for this drive. I have mentioned they are hiring for the Chennai Coimbatore location. Preferred skills is service desk management you have to do, and also networking you have to maintain, and Linux environment you will work. So just you need to click on apply, and after applying you will be able to submit your registration form. Just click on apply link, then you have to do your sign in. Otherwise you can, if you have not registered, you just need to click on register. So in registration form you need to give your first name, middle name or last name, email ID, password. Then you have to submit your details. Then after that you have to logging in. Okay, after logging in you need to do the further process, like you have to fill the educational details, your certification if you have done any, and your last year project experience, final year project experience in your college. All these details you need to put there, and I have mentioned every details. So if you really interested, this is a mass hiring. So if you're really interested, you can do your registration and apply for this drive for Infosys system engineer hiring. They are giving this opportunity again in 2021. So I think it's really helpful to you. Please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Okay.